Hello my Canadian gardeners, how are you guys doing today? I was just outside, as you can see from my sweat and my sunburn, and I was trimming one of my... That just happened. Anyways, I was just outside trimming some cedars, and so I'm going to show you guys outside with me to show you what I do. The one cedar I haven't done in a really long time, but I just want to show you how I clean it up and how to make it more presentable. This is something that anyone can do any time of year. Doesn't necessarily have to be in the springtime, but it's just going to help with the view and the way it looks. This is going to be a voiceover because it is outside and it is windy and there's traffic, so I'm going to put Ella away and I'll see you guys outside.
So the tools we're going to be using today are these hedge trimmers here, these snips you've seen in other videos, and then lastly my hand rake, which is my favorite tool, and you'll see why at the end of the video here. I'll leave Amazon affiliate links for all those in the description if you want to support me. So these are the trees I've already clipped. At the bottom I take them up about 1.5 to 2 feet. And it just helps with the curb appeal. This is the tree that we will be trimming, and as you can see, those other trees just looked a lot more kept and as though they've had attention paid to them. So here we're going to start trimming. The reason I trim these trees up is because it helps prevent fires. First off, cedars are notorious for dead needles that go up in flames. It also helps prevent garbage from accumulating down below. And as well, it helps prevent bug infestations because bugs live in cedar needles. I have no idea why, but they love it down there. So we just trim it up approximately 1.5 to 2 feet, and it helps a lot with the look and the safety factor. So as you can see here, this is what we're left with: a lot of dead leaves, a lot of garbage, a lot of cigarette butts. So now I'm just going to go in with my rake, and this is why this tool is fantastic compared to a normal size rake. I'm just going to pull all these needles and leaves out of the way. That's going to make it look better, and it's going to prevent bug infestations. Really hard to do with one hand, so I'm going to have to put my camera down eventually. But if you guys are liking this so far, be sure to tap that like button and hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to build my channel, and that helps so very much with it. And ta-da! We are done. That's the amount I've taken off. This is the difference, how it looks. So much better, so much cleaner. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, share it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Oh hey there, are you still watching? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for some more awesome plant videos.